VEC technology, moving boat manufacturing into the 21st century. VEC is a patented cutting-edge computer-controlled manufacturing process that guarantees that every VEC-built boat is made to the most exacting standards of fit and finish, resulting in boats of unparalleled beauty and unprecedented quality. VEC produces a superior product because each part is created with a level of precision that simply cannot be achieved with traditional fiberglass or aluminum manufacturing. The VEC manufacturing process produces incredibly precise hulls using a closed mold composite lamination process that the competition can't touch. The result? One-piece hulls featuring an integrated composite stringer system, ensuring that every boat built with the VEC process is stronger, lighter, and more robust, so you experience a faster, drier, and quieter ride. The open mold process of manufacturing fiberglass boats and other fiberglass products has been at a standstill for nearly 60 years. It is messy, extremely labor-intensive, and generally produces a product inconsistent in quality, weight, and appearance. VEC technology changes all that. The VEC patented process starts with a computer-designed vessel that consists of two parts. The first part of the vessel is the foundation and rests on the plant floor. It's constructed using laser-cut steel that is then welded together. A flanged composite mold is positioned within the vessel. The large secondary part of the vessel is also made from laser-cut steel, with a composite mold identical to that of the first part. The VEC injection system consists in part of a catalyst ram that accelerates as it goes through the cycle. By providing each hull with more catalyst at the end of the shot compared to the beginning, it results in an exothermic reaction that occurs throughout the part at exactly the same time. During the VEC process, our computer systems monitor hundreds of variables, including temperature, dynamic pressures, humidity, gel times, and peak exotherms. These systems automatically adjust the components to produce a composite part that is cured in consistently optimal conditions. By monitoring these variables, we can diagnose problems before they occur. The entire VEC process is monitored by our team of engineers, located at our VEC Command Center in Greenville, Pennsylvania. Their computer systems are tied directly into our VEC computers, so they can watch simultaneously as we're making boats. Test runs have revealed that the VEC manufacturing process results in a less than 1% variation in hull weight per 1,000 hulls produced. As of today, we've built tens of thousands of VEC hulls, and we've never had one structural issue with any of them. Traditional fiberglass manufacturing uses plywood extensively as a structural component. Working with 3M and Boeing aircraft, we developed composite boards, completely eliminating the use of plywood anywhere in the boats. Boats built with the VEC process are built to last because all VEC boats feature a one-piece integrated composite hull and stringer system, making them so incredibly durable and reliable that every VEC-built boat comes standard with an unrivaled lifetime limited warranty that is transferable to a second owner, increasing peace of mind and resale value. In traditional open-face fiberglass boat manufacturing, a boat hull takes from 8 to 12 hours to cure before it is pulled out of the mold. In fact, the open-face hull continues to cure even after it has been removed from the mold. This process relies upon a person, rather than a sophisticated computer, to adjust the catalyst ratios for heat, humidity, and other atmospheric conditions in the plant. Now, compare that to VEC technology. Parts are removed from the VEC cell in less than an hour, and the VEC hull comes out of the cell 98% cured. In addition to dramatically improving the consistency and quality of every boat we make, VEC technology is better for the environment. It reduces styrene emissions by up to 90% compared to open mold processes. During the VEC process, The styrene gas normally emitted during exothermic reaction in the fiberglass process is actually bonded into the piece itself and cross-linked molecularly. This gives you a stronger part and virtually eliminates the emission of VOCs into the atmosphere when compared to the traditional hand-laid-up manufacturing process. That's why there's a clean smell in a VEC plant versus the strong smell of styrene in an open-face fiberglass facility. In the VEC process, chemicals and hazardous materials remain sealed, resulting in a cleaner, safer, and healthier work environment. In fact, the VEC process is so environmentally friendly that VEC Technology was awarded the prestigious Clean Air Excellence Award from the Environmental Protection Agency. VEC Technology, consistent, exacting, and environmentally clean. We've worked long and hard in developing surface finishes and profiles that are comparable to the automotive industry today. By utilizing wave-scan equipment and gloss meters, the parts VEC Technology produces are very comparable to automotive parts. The VEC manufacturing campus in Little Falls, Minnesota, uses the most modern manufacturing techniques throughout the manufacturing process. Traditional fiberglass boat manufacturers have had to rely on hand tools and manual labor for finishing edges, cutting openings, and drilling holes in the hull and deck. As you can see, it's not exactly precise. With our VEC hulls and decks, we utilize our in-house 5-axis computer-controlled robotic router and drillers that can precisely cut and trim parts within 1/1000th of an inch and locate holes for mounting hardware. At a traditional fiberglass manufacturing facility, because of the inconsistency of the material, the rough interior, the uneven thickness, and so on, you cannot calibrate hand tools properly. As a result, you rely on the operator to properly snug screws, bolts, and more. Not so with the precision-made VEC boat. In our VEC plant, all of our hand tools are calibrated with the proper clutch settings. Tools are calibrated on a scheduled basis, meaning that every screw in a VEC boat has the proper calibration and required torque settings. We strongly encourage you to compare boats built with VEC, feature for feature, against the competition. Pay special attention to the fit and finish. Scrutinize the way the boat rides on the water, and take a step back to judge the overall appearance. Then, think about how each boat is constructed. Cutting-edge precision VEC technology versus the competition, manufactured with rivets, welders, and fiberglass chop guns. Lastly, compare the overall value of VEC-built boats versus the competition. The choice is easy. The aluminum and fiberglass competition represent the past. VEC technology represents the future of boating.